First time kayo nakadalaw. Oo. And first time kayo nakadalaw and first time to see him since he was kidnapped. How's he doing? I mean, what's your assessment?
Ikaw ba, what do you think?
I think he's okay. Parang, you know,
Because she's the longest time that hasn't seen PRD.
Like I think, you know, and since we can't really delve much into it, he's really okay.
He's okay,
Yeah,
but
he's
physically,
well.
is
He's
he
well.
still the same that Tatay Digong that you remember him to be?
He's the same lolo to me.
No,
Like,
I think when he sees us, he still sees like babies pa kami, bata pa, ganyan
Correct.
nga.
Which is the same when I saw you. No? Because the last time I saw Isabel, well, up close was for the debut, Victoria before the debut. And then I saw you sa mga oath-taking na.
Yeah.
Siguro it wasn't the last oath-taking, 3 years ago na.
Ikaw ganyan talaga yan. Na parang
Yes.
hindi mawala ba, kahit gaano kalaki. Ako, kahit gaano na ako kamaskulado. Joke.
Pareho tayo.
Kita niyo pa rin kami parang bata pa rin, babies pa rin, yan. Lalo na ako kami.
yeah.
The next visitor is your lola, no?
Kasama kami.
Us three.
Kasama na. Us three. So will you still be able to visit with your lola tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow. you'll be
Tomorrow.
here tomorrow. That's good. That's good. Now, Chico Barzaga, ang daming humahanga. Na-meet mo na ba siya and are you close to him in Congress?
If I remember correctly, classmate kami nung seminar namin eh. Parang
Correct.
kami mga first time, fresh.
Yes.
Mga,
Kayong classmates
tawag
talaga.
yan? Neophyte ata.
Neophyte.
Parang kami, classmate kami. Pero if meet like officially, wala pa ata. I hope so. Di mo masabi, ganun pala katapang yung tao na yun.
Oo nga.
Kami pala ko-observant.
Merong ethics complaint against him. Of course, you'll support him, no?
Of course, he's just speaking his peace naman. Wala naman, may na-violate ba siya?
Wala, I don't think there's anything na... If at all, ang dapat imbestigahan, si Tambaluslos at si Zaldico dahil sinabihan na sila yung kumukuha ng 25%. Silang dapat ma-ethics, di ba? Sorry, meron na akong non-bailable warrant of arrest. So I can say anything. Yeah, I can say anything now. So anyway,
Wait lang, sa Pinas?
sa Pinas, they filed tanim kaso non-bailable.
Kailan
So
na?
that's why, naku, kailan lang, pero mabuti na lang, it was only fairly recently, not since I left. No? Before it was a congressional citation for contempt. Which is very painful kasi dyan sa Congress, para kayong high school na kunwari, magkaka-close, tapos it was very painful sa akin na when it was my time na iniimbestigahan, yung mga kaibigan ko were nowhere to be found. Yun ang pinakamaano dyan sa Congress. Anyway, so what else can you say about your visit? How do you feel na seeing your lolo for the first time since he was kidnapped? Since bawal kayo mag-usap yung from your point of view.
Ako, since I met nakita kami balik, medyo na-elate rin ako kasi honestly speaking, hindi talaga namin alam kung makapasok kami o hindi. Tapos parang surreal experience din na nakita ko na siya live after how many months na?
Yeah.
Since election time pa kami last nakita eh. So, happy na happy ako ngayon. Of course, maging mas happy ako kung makauwi na siya. Pero that's another story naman.
Well, the Filipinos here will be having a series of activities beginning sa 19. No? I hope you can join us because ang sigaw na ngayon is to bring him home. And of course, for the ICC to dismiss the case against him. No? Now, Isabel, you know, she's very fond of the women in her family kasi ang gaganda ng lahat. No? So anong sabi niya sa'yo? Is he encouraging you to join politics?
Since I can't say what we actually discussed, like sa point of view ko naman, I really think he is also as happy as I am to see him. And you know, like after a long time na hindi niya nakita ng mga apo niya, I think that speaks for itself na parang he really enjoyed that. But personally, I am just doing what I can right now in terms of work. Like I just told my family na parang, you know, I'm not closing doors, but at the same time, I'm also just happy, like looking for ways as how I can like serve or do service.
Figuring out.
Kasi dalawa ng kapatid mo is congressman and vice mayor. No?
Sabi ko sa kanila, iwan ko na sa nila. Pero yeah, I was telling my family and I still like, you know, explain to them na parang I really wanna find my own way. And it's not that I'm closing doors, but I want to do some things my way pa rin.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Any questions?
May pinapatanong po kung Omar si Alvin. Kung maaari niyong ibahagi, ano ang pinaka-importanting mensahe na iniwan ng inyong lolo? Para sa inyo, sa inyong mga apo?
Sa amin mga apo,
Oo.
of course, ang sinabi niya talaga sa amin na i-take care aming pamilya, love your children, love them as how he loved his children. Kung meron man siya mapamana sa amin, siguro yung pagmamahal na ibigay niya sa anak, ibigay rin namin sa mga anak namin. Kaya siguro na tawag sa kanya Tatay Digong kasi gitreat niya ang buong bansa bilang anak niya, na-spread niya rin ang love, na-feel niya rin ang pagmamahal niya sa iyo.
Hindi
Salamat
pa ito
po.
last bisita niya, no?
No. Meron pa ako. 3.
Meron
3 with your lola already.
Pero still, siya mas...
Ako, I'll be staying longer with my
Ay,
lola.
excellent.
So
Excellent,
maganda.
excellent. Okay, so if...
Mayroon pa
okay
bang
na.
mayroon po bang naisip parating si Tatay Digong sa mensahe sa atin sa mga kababayan? Mensahe?
Hindi ako sure kung pwede.
Para sa ating mga kababayan.
Okay na, wag na. Baka
Pero
mamaya
if-
mapigil pa.
If ano man,
Message mo na lang.
from me
Your
na lang
message.
sa ating mga kababayan, please continue praying for him. I am asking you na there is nothing impossible with prayers.
Tama po.
Keep the faith lang. And yes, I hope one day talaga makalabas na siya.
Salamat.
So yan
Salamat
po ang pinaka-latest na ulat